Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator on HTX. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Now let's start this video. So first we have to open HTX in our mobile. After opening HTX, we have to tap on our profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on settings gear icon on the top right corner and then simply click on security. Now over here, as you can see, my Google Authenticator is not linked with HTX. So in order to link Google Authenticator with HTX, we have to tap on this Google Authenticator. Now the next step is to copy this code. So after copying the code, we have to open Authenticator. So if you haven't downloaded Authenticator yet, you can find Google Authenticator on Play Store and App Store very easily. So after downloading it, we have to open that Authenticator. Now once you open Authenticator, tap on this plus button on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on enter a setup key. Tap on code name and write down any code name that you want. So here I will write HTX. After that, paste your code in your key section. After pasting, now the next step is to add. So as you can see, our code is here. We have to copy this code right now. After copying the code, we again have to come back into HTX. Then tap on go verify. Now paste that code over here. Now this is the verification part where we will receive an email with a code. So as you can see, I have written down the verification code over here. Now the next step is to tap on confirm and our Google Authenticator is enabled, and that's how you can enable Google Authenticator in HTX. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.